Hi, my name is Andrew Mackey, and I'm a wildlife technician here for the Idaho Department of Fish and Game in the Clearwater Region. And what I'm here to show you guys today is the difference in the elk collars that we have that are going out this capture season, starting here in a couple of weeks. Now we have two different captures that are going on. We have a calf capture, which is the collar I'm showing you here. These collars will be going on elk calves in units 15 and 10A here in the next couple of weeks. These ones are designed to sit on the elk just like this, and it will be bolted on here, and then we'll actually use surgical tubing to actually bind these down closer, and that tubing is designed to deteriorate and break apart, and then what we're left with is a permanent collar on a cow elk. In the event that we capture a bull calf, what we'll do is we'll actually put surgical tubing here where you see these brackets, and then we'll put surgical tubing at the top and then wrap that with electrical tape, and what that'll do is extend the life of our collar, but it won't be a permanent collar since the bull calves' necks will get so large when they become adults. This is another example of the calf collars that are going out, and what we've done here is we've inserted foam. Since these collars are bolted permanently here at the base, we put foam in here with electrical tape, which will deteriorate over time, and then these collars will be left on our elk permanently. And in case you've noticed, you see that this pink ribbon that we have on the tops here, this is just a marker to let our pilot know when we're flying during capture that this is an elk that's already been caught. Each one of these is a GPS collar, which collects a location, either 1 to 2 locations per day, depending on how we have them programmed, and they actually can store that information on board in the computer. In this particular collar, it's up here. And what they'll do is every single day at a specific time, they beam that information up to a satellite, and then that satellite then beams that information back to me where I have it on my program in my office. So I can almost look up real time what's going on with these collars. Now, sometimes, like in areas such as the South Fork and the North Fork, where the terrain is steep and rugged and a lot of vegetation, I don't always get locations every day. So there's locations that I miss, but that data is stored on the collars themselves. So whenever this collar is retrieved, either due to a mortality or hunter harvest, I can then actually hook these up to my computer and pull the rest of that information off. So if these collars are inactive from anywhere from 4 hours to 8 hours, they will transmit a mortality signal, which we'll get via email, a notification that one of our collars has gone on mortality. We'll then be able to go out in the field and perform a necropsy to determine what the cause of mortality was, whether that was via predator, hunter harvest, or any other mortality agent.